This is HomeRiver Group here at 353 West 19th Street. This unit is a 3-bed, 2-bath unit. And it does have a garage that is slightly detached from the unit. I'll show that to you guys really quick what I mean. Kind of does have a driveway. It's just kind of these 2 strips of concrete. And so there's the garage. I'll show it to you guys a little bit later. As you can see here in the front, you do have a very nice front porch. So when we first enter the unit, we do walk directly into the front main room. Does have 2 windows. So straight ahead is the kitchen, but we'll end up there here in a second. Here's the first bedroom. There's kind of one half of the closet, kind of like a little seating area here. And then the second half of the closet, on the other side of the window. And this does lead, this bedroom does lead into the bathroom. And just a quick note, I did say this is a 2-bath unit. But this is the only bathroom that does have a shower. The one downstairs only has the toilet. Okay, and so the bathroom is actually connected to both of the bedrooms upstairs. So here's the second bedroom. Does have a hardwood floor instead of carpet like the other one. And the closet for this room is located right here. It does have a rod across the top. And then here's the kitchen. So as you can see, it does have an electric oven stove, stainless steel double sink, a dishwasher, and a refrigerator. Lots of cabinet space. It does have a very open backyard. We'll check that out here in a bit. First, let me show you guys the basement. Okay, so when we first get downstairs, we kind of get into kind of a little opening here. And this first door on the left This is the half bath down here in the basement. Down here is located the water heater, the toilet, sink, and then also located in this room is also the washer and dryer hookups as well. And also the screen for the furnace and AC unit. Okay, and then the other door that's down here in the basement, this goes into the other bedroom. The closet's back here in the corner. And this door that we passed earlier, coming down to the basement, this leads out to the backyard. And so part of the backyard is covered, is sheltered. As you can see, the backyard does have a nice little fire pit, kind of a pad back there in the back. And then also, connected here in the back is also a door out to the garage. There's kind of like a workbench back there on the back wall. And then the garage door works just kind of as a double swing door. It's just locked with kind of a 2x4. This is HomeRiver Group, and thanks for taking the tour with us.